Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oli Amazing. You guys are welcome once again. Please, if today is your first day visiting this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell in order to be notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you how I got this beautiful look right there. Yeah, so to start, I've already cornrowed my hair off camera, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the hair I will be using, my DIY curly hair, and I will be using my crochet needle, my scissors, my Cantu twist and lock gel. Yeah, so now I'll be applying my Jamaican castor oil to my scalp, yes, in order to keep it moisturized. Yes. So now, in order to get the short bob look I'm going for, I'll be cutting my hair into two pieces. Yeah, so I'm just crocheting that through my braids. Yes, like so. So while crocheting the back of my hair, as always, make sure you are easy when sliding the crochet needle through your hair in order not to damage your hair. Yes. As you guys can see, I've gone far with my hair, and I don't know if you've taken notes of this. I only do one knot, like knot it once, just slide the crochet needle through the cornrow, and then put the hair and pull it through just once. I didn't make a knot at all. So I've been cold for so long. Please guys, just in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me this favor, just hit the subscribe button, and also leave a comment to this comment at the comment section about this video. Tell me what you like about it, and just tell me what you like about the video. Okay, don't forget also, you can share this video with your friends. It can be helpful to your family, to your sister, to your sister-in-law. So guys, like you see, I created this hairstyle, like this braid. The braids pattern I made is for a multi-functional hairstyle, if I should use the word. Yes, yeah, because I wanted to be able to just crochet the crown of my hair, leaving the both side of my head like with cornrows, if that makes sense. You can see how I demarcated it from the both sides with some beads. Yeah, I won't be crocheting that part of my hair. So this is why I need the Cantu gel. Yes, because the hair is a conical hair. In order to be able to split the hair without it freezing, I just apply a bit of that a bit of the gel, yeah, and then split that in two. So here I will show you how I do my the knotless crochet. Yes, So I slide my needle through the braids and then put the hair, pull one leg of the hair and then like so, create a knot and pull it. That's it, like so. So I'll just let you watch this again without me saying a thing, at least in order for you to understand it much better. Yeah.
And I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
So guys, I went off camera to do the rest of my hair, to unroll the rest of my head. As you can see, totally done. The hair is full and beautiful, but to make it look as natural and yeah, as natural as possible, I will just go ahead to crochet some of my hair to these cornrows. The cornrows I won't be crocheting, just to conceal that, in order for the knots, for it not to be visible. Yes, for the knot, to close the knot. Yeah.
Things ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it.
Like I said, guys, I created the 3 multifunctional, multi-purpose or multifunctional hairstyle. Yes, so like I have here this hairstyle, I have 3 different styles. I can wear them in 3 different styles, like which where it flip it by the left side, like side parts to the left and side parts to the right as well. And again, I created also a middle part with the knotless crochet or invisible crochet, what you call it. So this is it, and it's looking so beautiful. So now I'm just trimming off the fly out, making sure that everything is nice and equal, just to make it fit, you know how it is, just making sure that everything is looking nice. Yeah. So after doing this, I'll just go ahead and apply my styling mousse to my hair to help hold the coils down from separating. Yeah.
This building is coming to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now. Baby, our love is gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
So with that being done, guys, I'll just, at this point, I'll just try, as you know, I'm not good at, you know, when it comes to slicking of edges, I'm not good. I'm still trying, but so I'll just go ahead and slick my edges in order to give it that nice and you know, that look, you know, that's beautiful soft look. Yes. So now I'm just spraying my spray gel to the hair again, in order to seal, to hold the coil stronger. Yeah, you know, it's not a human hair, and again, it's a chemical on hair, so we have to fake it to make it look real. If you get me. So this is what I'm talking about. See the style, wear it to the left and side part to the right, and also you can also wear this hairstyle as French. Yeah, so that's it guys for this style, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a big, like a huge thumbs up, and also leave your comment at the comment section below. Tell me what you like about this video, and tell me what you think I should have done to this video, and also comment down on any hairstyle you would like me to do. So guys, thank you, and remain blessed. I love you.